How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of earwax. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So in this video, I will show you a few home remedies that you can use to get rid of earwax without using anything in general. Q-tips are okay to use, but sometimes they can damage the ear canal. Sometimes even pushing earwax farther into the ear. So what are some ways we can get rid of it? Combine hydrogen peroxide and water together and use an eardropper to get the solution. Once you have the hydrogen peroxide and water in the eardropper, put a few drops in your ear. Only a few drops are needed. Make sure you turn your head sideways and leave it like this for around 10 minutes. When you are done, turn your head the other way and let the earwax drain. Tip 2 is have a warm shower and allow some of the water to run into your ear. Warm water is very good for removing your earwax. Tilt your head to one of the sides for 5 minutes. Let the water stay in your ear. After the 5 minutes is up, tilt your head to the other side and let the water drain out. Use baking soda. Baking soda has been used for years to get rid of earwax. I recommend making a paste out of baking soda and water. You want 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 4 teaspoons of water. Mix it together and this will make a paste. Use an eardropper, tilt your head and put the paste in your ear. You only need a few drops. Wait a few minutes and then tilt your head to the opposite side and let it drain out. Tip 4 is try earwax removal drops. There are special earwax removal drops that you can buy at the store that are meant for earwax. You can buy them over the counter at your local drugstore or pharmacy. I will put a link in the description box to some items that will help get rid of earwax. Highly recommend you guys check those out. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.